Well, my dudes, we got a T-Maxx, we got the Tony Little Gazelle. I am trying to put a lot of stuff into this video. Guess what, bros? The T-Maxx always starts. What's up, Nitro gang? This is gonna be an autopsy of this T-Maxx. The rod, it did a split. Welcome to the Black Parade.
What the hell is that? Two speed, 4 speed, baby! Coming! 1, 2, 2 speed! Oh!
Now let me give you the story of what actually happened. I was running the sickening T-Maxx. I was yelling 2-speed baby. I was very proud. There was an arm on the track that ran out of lipo power, so I was the only Nitro on the track running. Of course, there was a Nitro slash. You cannot kill the Nitro slash. But then all of a sudden, you know, my live just ended. I told you guys, hey, listen, I'm going to go run the T-Maxx a little bit. And then I was doing like an average pass. It wasn't even a speed pass. And all of a sudden, the motor just shut down. I go over to the truck, guys. I look at the fuel tank. And right now, the fuel tank is in this bag. They're still fueling it. And I already knew this is not good. Now it shut off, and I pretty much expected some kind of engine damage. But I did not expect to find what I found here. Completely destroyed. If you take a look at the top, there's a hole kind of the size of a window in the piston. It's not very good, guys. Now, I'm going to take this motor apart. We will see whether it is salvageable, rebuildable. Should I buy a brand new Dynamite 19? Or should I go with the fan favorite and get the OS 21 TM? For now, take a look at some of the action during the live stream so you guys understand that this T-Maxx was unstoppable at the track. I'm sad to say, this one is basically dead at this point, but you know what? You can never kill a Nitro fully. We will get it back on the road, and I will fix it, and sooner or later we will be yelling 2-speed baby once again. Take a look at these clips.
Warming him up, hold up! Sickening! 2-speed, baby! Oh, almost hit the slash. We hit the slash over here in the turn. Hold on, I'm gonna flip it over. Two-speed, baby! What do you think about that? That's right, Kevin Trappin. The electrics are trying to kill themselves. Nobody knows why. All right, come on. Let's go, let's go. Oh, we got a little action going on. What the hell is that? Sickening is what it is. Truly sickening. Coming. 1, 2, 2 speed. Oh! That was a crazy, what the hell happened to my body? Oh man. You still can't kill it though. Freaking lost another body clip. What am I gonna do? I lost all my body clips, guys. The hell am I gonna do now? Sick. I have to borrow a body clip from somebody now. Guys, by the way, this is the one that I did the drilled pipe mod. This is the drilled pipe. Let's fire them up, my dudes. The T-Maxx always starts. Let's hit the track! T-Maxx and Savage on the track! 2-speed, baby! If you add them up, you get 4 speeds. Oh, I have a little tuning problem. I heard a little stutter over there. 2-speed, baby! Speed, 4-speed, baby! I have to add up the 2 for both of them. Sickening. Running strong. Incredible response. Brakes, the best brakes in the world. That's what happens when you drill the freaking exhaust, guys. Exhaust is nice and drilled. Idle's a little low. We gotta raise that idle. T-Maxx, you just can't kill it. Lost a body clip. I lost a freaking body clip. Had too much action going on. Baby! Now that is some sick brakes! Oh, what is this? We got a little vendetta on the track? We got a vendetta, bro! It's trying to fight us! 2-speed, baby! Alright, the vendetta's fast, but it got no speeds. Hold on, let me help you out. What happened? We had a little flip over here. The track is all crooked. It's not the Vendetta's fault. That's a nice car right here, though. No idle, bro. What's wrong? Man, that Vendetta looks sick. Oh, there's a nice little cross. Some would say the Arma double cross. Oh! Sick! Let's take a close look inside the motor. Now, I left the fuel filter on, and during a previous video I did check inside the filter to make sure it wasn't clogged. The fuel line is not clogged. Everything here was perfect. Air filter never came off, even though I did run it in the sand. I guarantee you guys, sand was not what caused the self-detonation of my Traxxas motor. I'm pretty sure it is the rod. You could tell it is in a very bad condition, unusable. Now, there is some shrapnel in there. On top, obviously, the rod went directly through the piston. Other than that, I mean, I gotta say, the sleeve looks okay. It's still kind of shiny. Obviously, there's no way to tell. It probably did get scored somewhat, but I probably could cobble together another motor. As you could tell, I have a good variety of junk Traxxas motors. Now, this is the original motor from this T-Maxx. And yes, guys, that is the piston that was originally on it. The guy killed it as well. So this T-Maxx, I just want you to know, it's been through a lot. And we will not let it die. I might have another motor. Oh, this one is missing the piston and sleeve, so that's done. That's the end of the road. I don't know where my other motor is. I'm a little bit shocked right now. Either way, I was looking inside, and honestly, it looks pretty dry in there. I am very surprised. You know, you guys know I always run my engines fairly rich. Now, that crankshaft over there, it looks pretty dry. And I was running Bones Brew 30% nitro, 10% oil. Absolutely nothing wrong with that fuel. I didn't clean anything here. That looks bone dry. Thinking that, is it possible that somehow the carb itself just got clogged? But like, even if the carb got clogged, the only thing that really would happen is, you know, the motor would just turn off. If it wasn't getting fuel flow, it would just turn off. This was obviously running pretty lean because I don't really see any oil film on that sleeve at all. And the piston, it doesn't even look wet or rich to me. It looks terrible is what it looks like. Either way, this is the current condition of a self-detonated T-Maxx. I really don't think this was anything that I did incorrectly. It's possible this is just an old motor. To give you guys a little bit of history and background, this particular motor was also donated to the channel, and I've put together, I think, parts from about 3 different engines onto this motor. So that's not, you know, it's not new. It's possible that the rod was just old. But the thing is, even if the rod was old, I still cannot fully explain the reason of how just dry it looks inside there. It just does not look good. The cooling head is actually not too bad. There's just some signs of a little bit of metal fragments there hitting the top of the cooling head button. But it's fully usable. The glow plug is completely dead. I looked at it, and the element of the glow plug is recessed on the inside. So the glow plug completely dead. In fact, the element is completely smashed on the inside. So that's not usable at all. I'm going to remove the piston and sleeve. Hopefully it comes apart quite nicely. And I will take a look at the sleeve itself. It just kind of sucks that the rebuild kit, which is a piston and sleeve, doesn't even come with a connecting rod. That in itself is about $75 on eBay. Well, my dudes, we got a T-Maxx. We got the Tony Little Gazelle. I am trying to put a lot of stuff into this video. Guess what, bros? That T-Maxx might be toast, but my body and the T-Maxx in this box will never be toast. Hey, camera lady, I think they're out there asking themselves, is there really a T-Maxx in this box? Why don't you come up a little closer and I will show it to you. Come on, don't be shy. What does that look like to you? That's called a T-Maxx, baby. All right, guys, you know what the best thing about a T-Maxx is? It motivates you to exercise. And you could still pick one up on A-Main. I'll put a link to this in the description to the video. Go get a T-Maxx, go exercise, make your life happy, make it positive, and make it great again. See you guys next time.
If you smell what the Nitro gang is cooking.
Your girl so fine, but her breath is like, ooh. She say she wanna dance, but she don't know how to move.
Nitro World Order.